Hey guys, it's Becca. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am packing for the beach. We leave tomorrow, and I debated whether or not to film this video because I just did a packing video for our Disney trip a couple weeks ago, but I thought packing for a beach trip is so different than packing for a Disney trip, and I just thought it'd be fun to still show you guys. So let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, I'm gonna start with the most fun part, and that is swimsuits. So we are going for almost a full week. So I have this swimsuit cover up that I actually got from Amazon, and it's this almost like crocheted material, and I really love it. So of course I'll link that below because it's really easy to just throw on and walk down to the beach or the pool. So let me move that out of the way. This next swimsuit, these are all one pieces, by the way. I got from Cupshe, which is always risky buying online, but it turned out great and I love it. This next one is super cute. I love this ruffle detail up here, but this is from Dillard's actually. And then these last two are from Target. So just a classic black halter suit, and then this really pretty pinky orange floral print suit. So I'm really excited about all of these, and I love this cover up. Amazing. I'm bringing lots of denim shorts. So a couple of these are like cute pair that I'll wear out and about. And then a couple of the bottom pair are just ones that I would wear down to the beach. But I'm making sure to bring quite a few. So next is actually all of the outfits that I'm going to be wearing. We are going to go out a couple nights, I think, to kind of some nicer dinners. So I have this really cute button-down top that I'm going to wear with some denim shorts, a couple of little tanks and things like that to layer with, this really pretty, like almost floral paisley print kimono, but I love it. It's so fun and beachy. And then just this little t-shirt dress at the bottom here. So not a ton of like super cute clothes because most of the time we're gonna just be hanging out at the condo and down at the beach. So I just have, you know, 2 or 3 outfits here to wear out and about. Next is going to be my lounging clothes because we'll be doing quite a bit of that. So I have this really cool hoodie. It's almost like a terry cotton material, so it's really thin and lightweight, and I thought that'd be really fun to wear with shorts on the beach, maybe if we go for kind of a sunset stroll or something. And then just some comfy clothes to hang out in, some leggings, things like that, because we'll probably do a lot of just hanging out at the condo. And then hat, of course I have to bring some kind of Disney touch, I mean, right? Moving on to makeup, y'all know if you've seen any of my other packing videos, you know I absolutely love this makeup case from Amazon. It's the absolute best. So this goes with me everywhere. I've switched out a few products because, again, the makeup that I pack for the beach is entirely different than what I would take to Disney. Disney, I would want really long lasting, something that would keep my skin mattified, and any kind of glow would just be not a good solution at Disney. But going to the beach, give me all the glow. I want all the glitter, all the glow, just really natural looking makeup. So I have some really fun lipsticks in here. This one is actually what I'm wearing today. It's this Bare Minerals matte lipstick in the shade Hibiscus. It's this really pretty bright pink, almost berry red color. So I have a couple lipsticks like that that are just really fun and summery, and then just a couple other ones that are more neutral that I could wear, you know, out and about. Let me see, I'm not going to go through everything just because a lot of the stuff is I've talked about before, but another thing that I am bringing that I would not bring to Disney is this Physicians Formula Spotlight Primer. And I love wearing this underneath my foundation, especially in the summer at the beach, because it makes your skin look so glowy and hydrated and healthy, and I love it. This is a dupe for the Bekah Backlight Priming Filter. So love that stuff. The next product that I'm bringing to the beach that I probably wouldn't bring to Disney is this Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream, and it has SPF 30. Y'all, I love this. It is such a good product. It has just enough coverage to kind of even out your skin tone, but it doesn't look like you're wearing foundation. I mean, it's really just a tinted SPF is what it is, and it's super comfortable to wear. So this is probably what I'm gonna wear when we go down to the beach, just because I know it has SPF in it and it's really good for my skin, but still kind of evens out my skin tone without putting on a full face of makeup. So love this stuff. And then I have just some other, you know, primers and mascaras and face powders and things like that. And here is where I have all of my makeup brushes. This is actually just a pencil case that I have used as a makeup brush case. So moving on to toiletries, y'all. I think I've gone overboard with the toiletries. I'm not gonna go into everything I'm packing because this is a lot, but I will touch on some of the things that, again, that I wouldn't bring to Disney that I am bringing to the beach. So first is, let me start here. So the first item is this Brazilian Bod Buff, and it's just this really nice smelling exfoliator. And I just use this in the shower, and I love using this when we're at the beach, especially. It's great. What else am I bringing? This oil-free face moisturizer with sunscreen. And the last thing would be this Jergens Instant Sun Sunless Tanning Mousse. So I'm going to be bringing this. I really only use this maybe once or twice when we're at the beach, just because I'm getting so much sun already, but this kind of just adds a little extra color and I really like it. And it's only, I want to say like $14 or $15 as compared to some of those really expensive tanning mousses that you can do at home. Next in here is all of my skincare, my shampoo and conditioner, some serum. What else do I have? Moisturizer. This is my favorite perfume. I don't typically pack perfume with me, but to the beach, just because we're driving and I don't have to worry about anything getting like broken or anything, I guess, on the plane. Because we're driving, I kind of have peace of mind to bring my really nice perfume, but this is the Versace Bright Crystal perfume, and I absolutely love this. I've gone through a couple bottles of that, so I'm gonna be bringing that with me, and I think that's all I'll touch on with my toiletries, just because, again, I have so much in here. So anyway, moving on, I do have my hair tools, which these are pretty necessary to bring at the beach. So I have my T3 Whirl Trio styling wand. So of course I'll link that below, my favorite blow dryer. Moving on to a last few other little items, I have this little travel fan for our room, our portable charger for the drive. I have some medicine that I put in here, some Tylenol and Tums and things like that, so I'll be taking that with me. Next, my laptop, and I do have my headphones in here as well, so I just kind of tucked those away. But that is basically everything I'm packing in my actual suitcase. The next item that is very specific to the beach is my beach bag and towels. So I have several towels in here. We'll probably just rotate these and wash them every day. And then I've stuffed a ton of sunscreen and all kinds of stuff down in here. Aloe gel, yeah, just all kinds of stuff is down in there. So that's where I'm keeping all of that. I love this beach bag. It's the perfect size to where it doesn't feel overwhelming, but you can still fit quite a bit of stuff in there. So I really, really love this beach bag. Lastly, let me touch on shoes. So shoes, I'm gonna keep it pretty simple. I have these wedges that I'll wear probably anytime we go out for dinner or something like that. I'll wear these. These are from Target, by the way. I have these just really easy slip-on sandals. These are super old from Target. And then I have these as well. This is what I'll wear down to the beach or down to the pool. And I mean, I can wear these out and about as well, but I think that's basically it. That's all I'm gonna bring for shoes, and just kind of rotate these on and off. The last thing I wanted to add are these beach chairs that we just bought. Y'all, we are beach people, so we thought it was about time for us to invest in some nicer beach chairs that we can have for a long time. So I'm just gonna quickly share what I love about these. So the first thing that's awesome is it has a backpack on it. So these I love because you can be hands-free and not feel like you're carrying around these bulky chairs in both arms. So Andy and I can both wear these down to the beach as a backpack. I love it. These are Tommy Bahama, by the way, but we bought them on Amazon. So it came in this 2-pack, and I love this also. This is, if I can get this part open, this is basically just this little pouch that you can put your phone in, a book, your headphones, I mean, really anything. But I love that, so you don't have to worry about just kind of throwing your stuff on a towel and hoping that it doesn't get all sandy. The next thing I am obsessed with about this backpack chair is it comes with a cooler on the back of the chair. Obviously, you could only fit, you know, 1, maybe 2 drinks in here, but the fact that it has a cooler option on the chair, how neat is that? So if we wanted to run up to the condo and grab a couple bottles of water or something, we could just throw them in our chair and not have to worry about them sitting out in the hot sun. I mean, we could even put some ice in this, the whole deal. So I'm really excited about these. They fully lounge back into like fully reclining beach chairs. So I'll link these below. Ooh, the other thing I wanted to add, it does have this little cup holder on this side, this little mesh cup holder, and then another additional spot for you to put your phone that Velcros on the top. So I really, really love these. Same thing on this one, and yeah, I'm really excited about these. Okay, so that's it. That is everything I am packing for our beach trip. Make sure that you're following me on Instagram. I'll link all my social media info below because we probably won't vlog this trip, but of course I'll be posting and I'll do stories and all of that. So if you want to follow along, feel free to check me out on Instagram. That way you can stay up to date. But I think that's it for today. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you are subscribed if you are not already. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.